Hello and welcome. I'm here to give you a really brief introduction to 5 songs with tuned percussion from a collection called 15 Fun Songs for Young Singers. In each of the songs, the pupils sing the song, but they also have the option to play tuned percussion. So for example, if we use the word B, B-E-E, then they have to play the word B-E-E on their tuned percussion. That's basically how it works. So let's have a look at the first song. The first song is called There's a Bee in My Bedroom, and in this song the pupils sing and then they have to play the words B, B-E-E and B-E-D on their tuned percussion. The second song is called Hungry, and in this one the words that need to be played are feed and fed. Next we have Veruca Salt, and in this song the pupils have to play Bad Egg, B-A-D-E-G-G. The final 2 songs are a bit more challenging, they have more words involved. Song number 4 is called What's in Your Bag, and this has 4 words for the children to play: egg, bag, beef and cabbage. And then the final song, number 5, is called Friends, and again there are 4 words to play. This time they're fab, bad, ace and face. And to finish off this really speedy introduction, here are some quick excerpts of each song to give you a flavour of how it all sounds.
It's time to go to, but I just cannot rest. Please, me, she's a little Miss Salt is not very cute. There's some in my, there's some in my, they bring a smile to my little Miss